Hi, this is Rubel from Tech Review. Today I am here to show you how to create a restore point on Windows 11. To do this, click on the Start menu, type restore point. After appearing the Create Restore Point, click on it. After opening the System Properties window, by default it is selected System Protection tab. Make sure that Protection is set to On, in the Protection Settings section. If it is set to Off, click the Configure button. Select Turn on System Protection. Now drag the slider to adjust the size of storage you want to allocate for backing up restore points. I am going to set it 10 GB. Click on Apply and OK. To create a restore point, click on the Create button. On this pop-up window, enter a description or name for the restore point. Click on Create. Please wait, it will take some times. System restore point is created. Click on Close and click on OK. To use a restore point through System Restore, click on the Start menu, type restore point. After appearing the restore point, click on it. After opening the System Properties window, click on the System Restore. Click the Next. Select your restore point. Click Scan for affected programs. To search for affected programs and drivers, and display a list. This list includes the programs and drivers that will be removed and restored during the process. Click on the Close. Click on the Next to continue. Click on Finish. Click on Yes. Automatically it will take restart. After restarting you will see a successful message like this. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe to my channel. Also give a like please. Take care.